everybody. I am here today to redo a video that I totally messed up the other day because I deleted it. And it was the best video that I've ever done and edited. And if you saw my Instagram post, you know that it was major first world problems. I know this. And I'm gonna try to get it right this time and just redo. So if I sound like I am scripted, I am totally not, because these are all my words. They are just redone again because I'm showing you the same thing that I already did. If you have kids, it's supposed to be like how to get ready while you still have kids. It's so easy, but no, mine is gonna be how to get ready with kids. Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. This is in color light medium sand. I'm just putting a little bit in my hand, and then I'm gonna grab my moisturizer. I'm just gonna swish it up in my hands, get it all over, and just put it all over my face. Watch the magic happen. Look at that. Coverage. It's probably not, a real technical way to do it, but that's how I do it. And normally this routine would take me maybe 10 minutes, but it's probably gonna take me longer, and I'll try to edit it down while I am talking. It's gonna take longer. I usually just kind of slap it all on there and go. This is the Shape Tape Double Duty Beauty. Tarte is amazing. This is the light neutral. Fantastic. And I look very washed out right now, so I gotta add some color. So I'm gonna get my bronzer, this Bare Minerals Warmth. This is the warmth color. It is holy grail of anything you will ever use. I've used this since you had to buy Bare Minerals on TV, on the infomercial, boop, 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 $19.95, 2 payments, whatever. That's when I got it, and I've never turned back. I just get the kabuki brush that came with it. This is probably the oldest one I have. It's great. The stick's broken, very professional. You don't even have to be fancy. But what I do is I take the warmth, I just get a very little bit because a little bit goes a long way. I swirl it in the top, tap. I suck in my cheeks like this. Do you see that shadow that forms when you do that? That's where you're gonna put it. And then I'm going to go over my forehead and do a 3. This way. 3. Going this way. You see what I'm saying with a 3, right? Squeeze it again. Just go a little bit over the nose. Right there. Saw somebody do that before, so it's gotta be right, huh? Now, blend. Blend. And what I mean by blend is just take that brush, rub the crap out of your face. Now my favorite part to really bring it in, going out of order today, baby. This is my Dream Big palette that I'm taking by Tarte. Tarte is also a non-toxic, cruelty-free, some vegan products, everything excellent. One of my favorites. So I'm gonna take the palette, I'm gonna take the darkest color, go for it. I'm gonna tap my brush in there. This is my angled brush that is from Walmart or something. And I'm gonna tip it up into my brows and follow the shape of my brows and the hairs that go along. So I'm going to do my favorite, or maybe just like, this is probably my most common eyeshadow look that I do. It's a natural, neutral colors. And now I will get my other Tarte palette because I love Tarte so much. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. These are all the beautiful messy colors that I have in here. I'm just gonna take whatever this big old fat brush is. It's probably a blending brush, I'm going for it. And I am going to use Tiki. This is my brush in there and just swirl it all over the lids, just to have some sort of base color. Same on the other side. Next, I will take my brush that I got from like high school, and it's a tapered brush. And I'm going to take Jewel. This is Jewel right here. And I'm going to swirl it and put it in the crease. Then let me tell you something. We're gonna call this a V right here, V. You're gonna put your dark color there. Just put it right there on the V, really make your eyes stand out. With that, I'm gonna get this, it's called a shade brush, so no shade here, but yes. So this sort of rounded brush, I'm gonna do 2 palettes. Dream Big and my Rainforest of the Sea. I'm gonna take the Dream Big, I'm gonna get a little bit of this purple color called Happening, like what's happening? And just a very tiny bit and tap it. And then I'm gonna use this dark brown color called Malibu. And just tap a little bit and just do the V's of my eyes. Looking good, looking good. Okay. Next, I shall take this. This is just extra fancy if you want to be a little extra fancy. Take that same jewel color. Ooh, look at this shot right here. Ooh, I'm professional. Okay, focus. Jewel, I just take it kind of under the lower lashes. Just, I don't know, I just like that. I just like that little extra look. And watch me make faces. Do what you gotta do to get it in there. Okay. This is also Tarte Sex Kitten Black eyeliner. It's really good, it goes on really smooth. This is my trick called tight lining. I learned it from Tyra Banks. I'll let you imagine that she came over to my house and told me herself. I lied. Oh my goodness. I forgot my favorite part about eyeshadow. The top and the inner. So what I do is I take this beautiful rose gold color, which is obviously my favorite since it's almost gone. It's called This Is It, and I just get my finger in there and I just put a pop of it right there in the middle, and it just like makes colors pop. And then same on the other side. Then I take my blending brush, I tap on this color Treasure and Escape, and just pop it on the inner corner.
That treasure?
It's treasure, baby.
Which one's treasure?
And then sometimes you can even take Escape and just pop on a little bit of highlighter. Ooh, baby, what you know?
I remember.
Eyeliner. I learned this from Tyra Banks. This is called tight lining. You're gonna get like the waterline of the top part of your eye and really get in there. So get in the waterline, up under there, and really get in there and just look at my scary face. takes a little bit of practice, so be careful. This is not natural, but I ran out of my natural mascara, which the best is Tarte Maneater and Beauty Counter Voluminous, either one. Natural Beauty 101. But this is the L'Oreal Voluminous. It's cheap. I used it in high school. Totally not natural and terrible for you probably, but it's what I got until I go to Ulta. So just put some mascara on. Satisfied with this look. I might just leave my hair like this. This was just to kind of get it out of the way, but yeah. It's pretty good curls too. So, lips. Once again, Tarte. Tarte does it again. This is the Tarteist Lip Paint. This is the Color Festival. It's my favorite. So that's my non-beauty guru, just mom makeup, natural colors, natural makeup, easy, natural products, non-toxic. Make sure to like, subscribe, just put your eyeballs on my videos if you see them, share them, whatever you like, and give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more. Bye.
Kids around.
No. Okay, but seriously.
Your favorite.
Okay.
Just one more picture.
Oh! Okay, that's enough. Somebody's peeing. Lips are fully moisturized.